from the CW7 studio, this is Eyewitness News at noon.
Thanks for joining us today. I'm Kelly Austin, in for Jake Boswell. Today, police in Evansville identified a man who they say died during a physical fight with the EPD officers on Friday. 55-year-old Edward Snookus of St. Clair, Pennsylvania, was taken to the hospital following the incident, but died shortly after arriving. Police say that Snookus was intoxicated Friday evening when police were called to respond. When they attempted to detain him, he punched one of the policemen in the nose. A second officer tased the man, but police say that he ran from the police before being caught and handcuffed. We're looking into details of an accident that happened shortly after 10 o'clock last night, where a car struck a house on the east side of Evansville. This was near the intersection of Lincoln Avenue and Bonneview Drive. Eyewitness News was there to capture this video. At this time, there aren't any details regarding the accident, and as of right now, we aren't aware of any injuries. United Auto Workers walked off the job at General Motors this morning. This after the union was unable to reach a tentative contract agreement last night. Nearly 50,000 employees across the nation were involved in the strike. General Motors and the union have been trying to come to terms for months. The workers say that they are trying to get fair wages, affordable health care, share profits, job security, and a defined path to permanent seniority for temps. Just the thought of losing your engagement ring is something most women can't even stomach. But one woman in San Diego, she did stomach it, literally. She swallowed it in her sleep.
Yeah. Jenna Evans can't help but blush when she...
The Owensboro Air Show came to a close over the weekend. Thousands of people lined the riverfront to see some very impressive aircraft soar over the Ohio. There were military bombers from World War II and gravity-defying stunt plane performances. Parachuters also navigated the skies before making a precision landing on a narrow patch of grass right in the middle of the crowd. With so many moving parts in the air, the mechanics on the ground needed to be completely in sync.
It's not something that we plan on the short term. It's really year-round, 12 months.
A taste of history with an appearance from the oldest flying DC-3 passenger aircraft in the world. The plane is credited with revolutionizing air travel after originally taking to the skies in the 1930s. Coming up, rock star Rod Stewart reveals a big secret today. We'll tell you what it is ahead on Eyewitness News at noon. It may soon cost a little more to fill up your tank as oil prices are on the rise after this weekend's attack on Saudi Arabian oil facilities. The Trump administration is keeping watch, and some say some sort of action might be forthcoming. John Lawrence reports.
President Trump, I'm John Lawrence reporting.
Before the attack, there were signs President Trump had been open to a meeting with Iran's president this month, but on Monday, an official told reporters Iran's president does not plan to meet with President Trump at the United Nations. Rock star Rod Stewart gave up a big secret over the weekend. The British music legend says that he battled cancer for 3 years and is now all clear. Stewart went public with his 2016 prostate cancer diagnosis at a fundraiser for the event for prostate on Saturday. The 74-year-old father of 8 shared the news with a crowd, saying that no one knew this. He also encouraged other men to get their prostates checked regularly to increase their chances of surviving the cancer. Stewart said that he caught it early. Prostate cancer is more likely to affect men over 50, but can be diagnosed in younger people as well. September is National Baby Month, so Walmart is using the opportunity to collect old car seats starting today. And today is National Guacamole Day. You can celebrate by enjoying the dip, spread, or salad, which is made from avocados. Avocados grow on trees, and while a lot of people consider them a vegetable, they're technically a fruit, just like tomatoes. They are native to Central America and Mexico, but they were planted first in Florida in 1833, and they started growing in California 3 years later.
On Sunday, it's going to be getting humid on Sunday, but Friday and Saturday, I mean, you can't complain too much compared to where we are today, Kelly. I mean, upper 80s is still well above the average for this time of the year. We average right around 80, so yeah, it has just been unusually hot and humid this late stretch of summer.
Yes. I'm glad to have, I'm hoping for cooler temperatures quickly.
Yeah, we need it.
Thank you. Still ahead on Eyewitness News at noon, we'll introduce you to our pet of the day right after this.
Menard.